otherwise known as IPM, the commonly used phrase for holistic approaches to pest control. Sticky traps are a great solution for cultivators who wish to control pests while minimizing the amount of harmful pesticides they need to use. Common culture sticky traps and rolls are manufactured in Europe to their high commercial agricultural standards, with the best science available behind them. Scientific studies have proven that particular translucency and yellow wavelength colors have had a significant impact on reducing whitefly populations in gardens. These studies have guided the development of common culture yellow sticky traps to make them the most optimized and effective color wavelengths to enhance the catch rate for whiteflies and other pests, making them much more effective than competing brands. Our yellow wavelength is even designed to reduce attraction to beneficial insects and predators that will help keep your garden safe. Yellow cards and rolls are great for attracting a range of leaf-feeding species including whiteflies, thrips, fungus gnats, aphids, and leaf miner adults, and many more pests. Blue cards and rolls are particularly great for thrips, including western flower thrips and capsid bugs, commonly known as plant bugs, leaf bugs, or grass bugs. And scientific studies at Keele University in the United Kingdom have shown that the use of blue sticky rolls reduced the adult thrip numbers by 61% in commercial strawberry farms. For usage, if you can, apply the traps even before you put your plants in the area to get an idea if there are any pests already present. Once plants are in your environment, place the sticky traps anywhere around your plants, whether on branches, where the stem goes into the substrate, or right above the canopy. And sticky rolls are efficient for large gardens and farms with rows of crops. Our rolls and cards are safe to use with bumblebee or honeybee pollination with the release of natural enemies where biological control programs are used. All cards and rolls can be used in conjunction with predatory insects, including mites, that are a great way to reduce unwanted pests while reducing the usage of harmful pesticides.